Hey, Liam McIver Martin here with a quick tutorial to show you how to make the ultimate academic database. Now, what you're going to need to build your academic database is a copy of Adobe Acrobat. You're going to need a copy of Microsoft Word or some other kind of desktop publisher, and you're also going to need a copy of EndNote. Now, EndNote is the rarest of these three programs. However, most universities actually give you this software absolutely free. So, for instance, my university, McGill, they offer EndNote directly for download, free for any student. So you can just go into your local or your university library and ask them if they have a copy of EndNote or any other type of citation management software, and they should have it for you available and ready to install. So once you've installed EndNote, you're going to get a little box up in the top control bar, and you're going to have a few buttons. For this tutorial, the only button that you really need to know about is the actual EndNote button. So you click on Go to EndNote, and it brings up a panel of all your citations. And these citations I've imported into EndNote. So when you go to a online academic database like JSTOR, you'll pick up articles, Wilding 2006, Virtual Intimacies, and you'll also get the PDF. And there'll be an option to say download into EndNote. And you want to click on that option, and what it'll do is automatically download the entire citation into EndNote. Then you'll attach the PDF into the actual document. So if I've just downloaded this Wilding article, double click on it, you'll see it has the name, year, title, the journal, where it's come from, the pages. It'll also have the electronic resource number. It'll also have the abstract, which is great. And it'll also have a link URL. And then you can also put in a link to the PDF, which I personally do because it's incredibly useful. So once I have this all set up and I've brought in the PDF into EndNote, I click on the PDF and I activate it. And then I will minimize the window so that it goes to only one side of the screen. Then I'll get myself a blank document like this, and I'll minimize that to the other side of the screen. And what I'll do is I'll go through the article and pick up quotes that I think are interesting for my essay or my project. And I bring them back into Word and just copy them. And then you put the page number down. So then you want to save this file. Once you've gone through the entire article, you want to write down the thesis, the main findings, and any interesting quotes that you can use for your essay or in university in general. And then what you want to do is you want to go back into your EndNote program, and you can actually put this directly in the notes section. So you can import this entire document into the notes section. So when you scroll through all of your articles that you have in your database, all you'll have to do is double click on the article, go down, pick up your notes or pick up the PDF. Now, next thing you want to know is how do you actually use this to effectively write quick and easy essays. I've got that covered as well. So when you want to import a particular citation into EndNote, let's say we're going to talk about Wilding says this. And then you want to actually bring a particular quote into EndNote. You will choose Wilding, go back to your Word document, and you'll click on this button which says Insert Selected Citation. Okay, so once it's popped in, Wilding 2006, you'll also find that the bibliographical reference is also imported to the end of the document. So all you have to do is write in bibliography, and if you want to add another quote, let's say Wimmer, we go back into EndNote, insert the next one, and it just pops up automatically, and it pops up in alphabetical order. So you have absolutely no problems. You can have an academic database ready to insert any time of quotes you want right away. So if you have any other questions, please just leave it in the blog post, and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. Thanks a lot.